Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are using a Rayovac battery charger and feeling confused by the different lights appearing on the charger, you are definitely not alone because red, green and blinking indicators can sometimes seem unclear at first. You may place a battery into the charger and suddenly notice flashing lights or color changes without knowing what they actually mean. In many situations, these light signals are simply the Rayovac battery charger's way of showing charging progress, battery condition, or a temporary issue that needs attention. Instead of guessing whether the battery is fully charged or something is wrong, understanding these indicators can make charging much easier and less confusing. The good part is that once you know what the colors mean, using the charger becomes much simpler. In this video, I will explain step by step what the Rayovac battery charger red, green, and blinking lights indicate. Try these. Step 1. Check if the Rayovac battery charger shows a solid red light because the Rayovac battery charger may be actively charging the battery. Step 2. Look for a green light on the Rayovac battery charger since the Rayovac battery charger may be showing the battery is fully charged. Step 3. Watch for blinking lights on the Rayovac battery charger because the Rayovac battery charger could be signaling a charging issue or battery condition. Step 4. Remove and reinsert the battery into the Rayovac battery charger if the Rayovac battery charger keeps flashing unexpectedly. Step 5. Confirm the Rayovac battery charger is connected to stable power while checking the Rayovac battery charger light behavior. Step 6. Compare the final Rayovac battery charger light status and confirm the Rayovac battery charger charging process is complete.